adofonom mema obibia akwaba ede ebatuma GHS so mejidi yese obia empomboko na ebusia unim se muni aba ekwesi kapa mejimejo se dan se ensem no de edi atrentwie ewo memu enom na yeba aba be pensem muni apene poma sibre Ghana for se de munim no eye na wotwi etwa mu chese yante eye asemde ana wotwi ebusia mo fanchem na wotwi yante asemde eye yinua be ma yem papa Emmanuel Kwaku Apraku adodo na nim ne se Apraku my daughter wa yenya medwuma ache yie papa adodo na enim ne nwuma pa na se nyoma woye na wo wuye ensem bebrem na aba ewo echire ebinomose ane we ensa wono moye wenya aduane ndie enti na wawo ebisi eye reverend obofo achadia wode eche no eno eka ho bi ni nyoma we initiate no famu eno nti na ama no afri mu na asofo bi krampa wono do wokumase wo memekasa mayenti a eye nyoma wo kokogye ya na bosuma wo yusu ye no eno na ekumu no na ene dayi eye counselor Lutherdot wakasa ede afa eye Apraku my daughter ni wo no ehun said de ebinom kasa ehia no no wo se de bida abrantie no ehia no na ehia no said de na muhunu no na wo sika eye beduko bi mu eboa no kum chacha mu obofo mu wo nyina eboa eno enti no said de mo kasa ane na ne ho kire no na wo ni bibidi anasese ni nyina de enya no because oyobia na hwe onyobi o lucky bibi I am putting it that way on lucky hwe bibi a wo pe onya se ye kom na de na wo nya aduane di ensu a wonya ensu nom se drink na wo pa no a wonya enom just say eye den ya nipa na mensa nom a wanom paint no entimi free ni mu prekope eye den ya nkakra ena nipa de beko enti se de moka ka ne che eye nkrofo na se wo tete se ane na woni ba bi da ena reverend bofo bosha wo share no ambamu ena we na just ekom na de no na ne ho kire no ni nyina eye entro enye nokre na eye asofo a wo mo aboa eye abrantie no pa ene eye se dem di kan bobo ye no beduko bi mo ene eye obofo ena kum chacha na abusuan mo mayenkotie eye ensem a counselor Lutherdot wo de etu edwa
please do try it. Don't bring doctors from the body into this conversation.
No,
I want to clarify.
Apraku ba TV so every man na so for bofo. Eso o na confession or break aso for na kan obi aboa no. Ofa ye ni se
Messi oboa.
Obofo man is card from
Messi oboa.
Me
Messi is a son of kind of oboa.
But we have video no.
At a point in time, Apraku had dementia.
Ah, we dey na wo mu yesa na
because before that one.
But say
no, Rafi, you see.
But every cousin,
I want to say,
yeah, trying to get issues today. Or before that war, no or dementia.
The last time
it was out of secrecy. Say, as a
thank you. That's what I'm saying. That
the kind of
no, I said it before. The day they said, no. Apraku went into a bathhouse and he slipped and fall. He slipped down and fall from the back of the head. He was admitted. That is the last thing that happened. Apraku hospital. That was the first time he didn't go hospital. Thanks to Dr. Bedukobi and then Reverend Osofo and Cook Chacha. What must I say? So Obi Kato said he was in need. That is not true.
And today in here.
And here.
Now, who's your video now?
Don't ask these questions.
Coffee TV quiet now. Who's your video now? Coffee TV quiet now. Boys no more area. No say extension no more to get my.
Apraku had money every day that comes to his phone. Boy, they catch us see before like that. Then who will phone now? Being was now phone. Yeah, I know that they want you. I mean, let's be honest to ourselves. Now because even when we're managing Apraku to stop drinking, or sorry Sunday in that not intoxicated, but also being on Sunday. Now. He still accommodated him close to him. You can't sorry for Siada. You didn't try Paloma Didi. You didn't try to kill my way you went driving back here. Apraku was not anybody who was living in a life of Yabwa. Anybody who says that is a liar. Anybody who says that is a liar. So let's not drag Sonny Badu into anything. Say, oh no, Dr. Sonny Badu's time is because of the video he saw. And as a normal human being in the pastoral fraternity, he has not done anything wrong. But let's not say Ghana pastors were in, and I said, no, don't bring Dr. Badu into that thing. The guy did a genuine work in it. He has started conversation, you know, being film. We have seen who didn't say who take care of police forward ahead of you. Now, driver be up to him like some more. That's not the pastoral fraternity. Now, if I want to get sent from a dream, how many you and drain it to grow. Drain is to grow. I saw 4 people more when you drain or Mocassin. Why? Me, you did your Bible. Now, but in train, Yama, the Gaza. I saw 4 nipple. Almost your character, the monkey's character. That when they see banana, their behavior changes when they see trees. Oh, you hear them? But before Apraku travel away, Apraku walk massive. I can't get it, but he came to make a statement. Say, Apraku was a former fetish priest. Is it necessary? It is at this time I yet yet to maintain the last of God. One of the things that Apraku told me was that he was going to come back again with the power of God. Check the blood breathing up breath when your blood boom. This is not the time when I said, and they do it, and I got it. When I will be able to do. When I will be able to do.
Abusiafo, we a year and someone Councillor Joseph Lutherdot. What they to a jar efa a year Apraku ni wo and somewhere because on that say a year a brantiano now or a dreamu yare and I say like a dreamu a how kakra a ku edi etiano entin said the name binumo eka say I and a wenisika and a name hiano and I say and yes sir and a night and I know the day and he crampone a year soft one or walk mass and said him be kanka evangelist akosia waba or babonting Ebeka say a year Apraku my daughter now or a year fetish priest and our diverted by a year pastoral work nimno or who they say and who ain't here so or yes so far we uncle so far and waka now what done benkum so now who what a yibi papi say wo baba be kan e dia che abusuafo Ghana fo a na wo ba ya dia wo baba be keka enie eno ene dia wo de atudwa na ebinum so kan say eye Sonny Bedu eye hwehwani mu ado ye bi na opese wo ye eye Apraku my daughter na eye no so wo kire mu say de mote ye no e ma wo kire mu ma ye te ase se eye wo bia wo be hunu eye obi in that state na ye de ya nipa no ne ho ebe ye omobo na say Apraku so wakwa ye wo bia wo ye nyamedwuma na that time no wo in that bar state no na den ya ebeka no se wonye den wonboa entia no boni bia enim na so o emphasize say wo eso se Apraku woni obi ana se na enye se obi like bibi ehia no ana se woni baabi da ana woni bibi di ana se chese ne ho kire no ntade hwem bibia mu di bia ye okay because na asofo akukudam ne nchen abre ne abrebia no na omo offer a helping hand to him ebi ene kumchacha Reverend Obofo Emmanuel Beduko bi ene womo ekeka ho enti ewuo no ekire ensem na eba no munya ekeka krampo na enyesa na etie wono wonim Apraku a chese wonim no ache ye enti de obeti anase de obi beka wo beba beka na bonte no entro na abusuafo councillor de ensem we etu edwa na ebinom sina ha na wo councillor ya wo da ben wo Apraku starting adwuma wo ya wo hu no we hin da ben ya wo so wo ni folder hey jai de okeka no jai wo sore a chese wo peso wo gina wo bi asem so na wo dia trend wo peso wo gina wo bi asem so na dia trend we asem ba no akwa gina we asem ba no akwa koka we asem ba no akwa koka wo de wa foforo kwa afia odo so ekwa akua pimpolo ene na mema ekwa mema chese wo de wo nsem bibia wo fa bi na chese wo na ma ne sa wo kan abodafo mpo no wo mo yenyiyimu enye bibia na wo sesa de kogu wo mo edemo enso so wo de wa ye obi chese nipa bibia nwure bia wo fa ede den ekwo wo fie enti se why wadwen se Apraku wo yin so no wo ba begina so Edi ababe kasa ama Ghana for aka say eh councillor order so because na saying COVID-19 ba ye yen shed until kanti wunim say wo ye we edi ababa bedu din pa de na wo boa enya de say ebefa emfa watwa wrong meat watwa fufuo ama na to emosie mo we de anto enkwam na mma yenkenkan adwentwe ni bi a eba ye yemi abi edi awode eba wo say why do you always keep entertaining people like Lutherdot? When I hear people calling him counselor, then my heart could even starting calling myself. I say I will even start calling myself counselor. I don't even know those who gave him such titles. We even bore. What even bore me most is he's not a pastor and he doesn't know anything about such. And also so edia what they ever yeah and on who they say girlfriend year counselor Lutherdot say or your counselor na chese ni buafu na nakoma asori ekuru senso hia nso esi ja so a ehuru butu na ne bukrampo yefu because ohun ni pa what this counselor no ema no a what they ebo ne ho asafo hene ewo omayi emu ode ba ye kwame ode eba ye or say this man there, he doesn't know what he says, so don't listen to him. He has no info on also so no or who they say papa no woni information papa biam enti no say wo po bi aye ni interview wo po bi amana kasa akire wo bi atu nkrofofo a enye we counselor Lutherdot and our boyfriend because or not there why I can't say they can't ne brofu mu say empty barrels make the most noise te say de hwi nim no wo ye dede enti ono akwa ye ne ho empty barrel de bia no no keka enuoma bom sa na ne wo ye dede na wo muni na wo ye dede ye busa se hwan ankore de wono ane dia eno no wa ye ankore hu na wondo onam enti onya duru ba bia ho ye dia ne no wasat na wo wuro ne ho se de obia ebete ne nka abusuafo ha ene edi dwumadie no ebesie ye counselor Lutherdot wa chena dwen de afa ye ohaw ene abenedi a ye Apraku wo fa mu na said ye keka se na woni sika no enye sa ena etie ebusua won so a wo fie wadwenche bi a wo fa ensem yi wo betimi e de ato eja e wo tuma gh your comment section follow yen e wo your Instagram page @tumagh_ na emrepon de madwenche no ebetu eja midin ene ekua sikapa makram